Welcome to the 37th episode of Dividend Investing Insights. Join us as we explore high yield shares, dividend growth strategies, and portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now and take control of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we will continue to look at the portfolio that we have built. However, like always, we will start with a quick recap of the markets. The markets had a tough time last week with all the announcements going around the tariffs, which resulted in almost all markets across the world having a poor performance. So S&P 500 went down by 453 points or 8% lower. Nasdaq 2 went down by almost 8.5%. And here locally in Australia, the market went down by 314 points to end at 7,667.8 points. However, as I've always said, share prices, stock markets will always go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should invest in shares that have the ability to pay dividend now, increase the dividend in future, and the companies are fundamentally strong. This will ensure that your investments are safe, your capital is at a lower risk, and you are getting regular returns. Anyway, let's look at the portfolio that we had built. KDP, we had bought at 50 shares at 37.46, JP Morgan Chase, 10 at 210.5, AT&T, 100 at 21.91, CVS Health, 30 at 60.3, and Unilever PLC, 33 at 61.32 for a total investment of $10,002.76. And this is what we had set out with. Let's see how are they performing now. So KDP is currently trading at 33.81. JP Morgan Chase is trading at 210.28. AT&T is trading at 26.64. CVS Health is trading at 63.66. Unilever PLC is trading at 59.92 for a total portfolio value of 10,344. Well, you will realize that this is almost $500 lower than last week. Well, that's not all. Since the time we have started building this portfolio, we have collected dividends in cash for $174.52, which gives us a total portfolio value of $10,518, which is still higher in spite of all the markets that have been fluctuating over the past many months. We are still running in profit. Putting this graphically, this is how it looks, and the last 1 week has impacted our portfolio as well, which is similar, aligned to the market. So while the market went down by roughly 8 to 9%, our portfolio has gone down by roughly 5%, but that's not a comparison. So like always, let's look at some of the dividends that are coming our way. So KDP, we have met the ex-dividend date, and the dividend will come out on 11th of April, 23 cents per share. JP Morgan Chase will pay out on 30th of April. It has increased the dividends to $1.40 per share. CVS Health is paying out on 1st of May, 66.5 cents per share. It has retained its dividend. And AT&T paying on 1st of May 27.75 cents per share. So all the companies that we are holding our investments in have either maintained and retained their dividend, which is very important from a dividend investor perspective. As we end the episode, putting up the dividend investing checklist again, use it to make your investments, and look forward to seeing you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.